OpenAI, the artificial intelligence company founded by Elon Musk, has recently released a new tool called Pointy. Pointy is a revolutionary new artificial intelligence tool that can generate 3D images of objects based on text. This technology is a major advancement in AI generators, as it allows users to create 3D models in just seconds without the need for costly optimization. So, how does Pointy work? First, it generates a synthetic 3D rendering of the object in question. Then, it runs that image through a series of models to create a 3D colored point cloud. While the resulting images may not be as detailed or original as some other AI image generators, Pointy has the advantage of being much faster than its competitors. The 3D imaging industry is vast and varied, with applications in fields such as construction, architectural design, film and television production, and video game development. Pointy has the potential to transform the way 3D models are created and used, making the process faster and more efficient. One of the key benefits of Pointy is its resource efficiency. Unlike other image generators like Google's DreamFusion, Pointy can produce results in a much shorter time frame, making it an attractive option for those looking to quickly generate 3D models. Pointy is based on other traditional 2D image generators like dall-e and Cryo, and uses a smaller data set of pairs to create the point cloud that shapes the geometry of the 3D object. Overall, Pointy is an exciting step forward in the field of image generation and has the potential to significantly impact the 3D imaging industry. Pointy's effectiveness and speed make it a promising tool for the future, even if the technology is still in its early stages and the images produced may not be as detailed as other generators. We hope you enjoyed learning about Pointy and the exciting possibilities it brings to the world of 3D imaging. Thank you for watching.